Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am here today to do another DIY tutorial for you. It is a glass display box centerpiece that you can use for any occasion. I've had people ask about this box when I've used it before, and I wanted to do a video so that you guys can see how I do it. I thank you guys for the new subscribers that have subscribed to our channel. I also thank you for all of the feedback that we have been receiving. So thank you so much for that. We would not be what we are without you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I am going to go ahead and get right into this tutorial. So stay with us. Okay, so here are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need the oblong picture frames from the Dollar Tree, foam board, also from the Dollar Tree, clear tape, bling wrap, that's also from the Dollar Tree, and of course trusty glue gun and whatever epoxy glue that you're going to be using. You know, this is my favorite, so I'm going to be using the Gorilla Glue. So what you need to do first is to take the glass out of your frames, and I've done that. So I'm just going to put two of these together. Just lay them side by side. With my tape. And I want to make really small strips because I don't want it to be really visible. That way, if I decide not to cover it with bling wrap, I don't have to. And I just put one at the top, in the middle, and at the end. You see that? And then you do the same thing again. Put the next one there. Top. Middle. And the bottom. And I also do this because it's easier to work with once you stand these up and you try to glue them. It's a whole lot easier. So once you've gotten those together, this would be a really good time to clean your glass, and I've already done that. So we're going to go ahead and get this standing, and I clean my glass, and then I have some stuff on my table, so that doesn't work now, does it? Okay. So let's see how that stands. Now, in order to keep this sturdy, we're going to need our foam board. And we're going to make our base for this, okay? So what we need to do is to pick that up and place it on top. And I kept the one end open for a reason, because we need to have the room to put the base in between the glass and glue it to the glass, and you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about. But you're going to put it on your foam board, take your pen, you're going to draw from the inside around your foam board, and then you'll cut that out with your X-Acto knife. And then you will cover that with the bling wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks. So here's our foam board piece. It's all covered with the bling wrap. And that's fairly easy process. You just take your bling wrap, place your glue, and press down. Fairly simple. So we'll take our box. We're going to open that up. And that's how that's going to look. So the easiest way to do this is to use your glue gun here. And this is going to get you started with your base. And place it right there at the bottom there. Press. And you're going to do the same thing on each side. So you're going to put your glue here, put your glue here, and then here. So I'll go ahead and get that done, and then I'll be back to show you guys. There you go, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. To top it off, they have these glass cutting boards at Dollar Tree. This one has some gunk on it. But they have these at the Dollar Tree. And you can place this on top. Oh, try to get you a better view of that. So you can place this on top and place whatever you would like to place on top. I'm going to be putting a little flower ball up here. You can display anything in here that you like. You can do for your weddings, you can do your table number. You can place that in the box. See how different that is, and place your flower arrangement on top of it. I'm doing these for a graduation. So I'm going to be placing a graduation cap and diploma inside these, and then placing the arrangement on top. So there's many things that you can do with these boxes. I would like to see some designs that you've made, that you've put together, and to see what you have done with the box. I know you're probably wondering why I'm talking and you don't see me, but yeah, I would like to see some designs that you've made and see what you've put in your boxes. You can always send that to me on Facebook, or if you can, I don't know if you can upload on here, not sure, but you can always go to my Facebook page and do that. Thank you so much. I love this. It's so easy and it's so adorable. I just love doing these boxes, and when they're sitting on the table and you have that display of whatever item it is, people are really just astounded by it. So thank you guys again, and as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.